Come test drive the 2019 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, navigation system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player. Come see the car for yourself.